Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we look at this beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Right away on the interior of the SLT, very well equipped. We do have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power trunk. We do have fog lights as well as memory seating. Jet black leather heated steering wheel, forward collision warning, cruise control, only 7 kilometers on the odometer here. We do have your heads up display guide right there. We do have the speakers throughout, Bose speakers, sorry. We do a push button start, 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls, as well as your Apple CarPlay. We have our buttons down here is how the Terrain selects what gear you're in there. We got our 4x4 management system as well as your your heated seats. Jet black leather interior with the gold stitching, and take a look at those beautiful leather gold stitched heated seats. Take a look at the exterior of the Summit White Terrain. We do have the blacked out package on this vehicle, so it does come with these beautiful 19-inch blacked out wheel and tire package with the Hankook all-season tires on there. We do have keyless entry, remote start, LED headlights and tail lamps, blacked out roof rails up top and around the window trim. Coming to the rear of the vehicle, you can see the SLT black badging, beautiful C-shaped LED lights, GMC blacked out, Terrain, and all-wheel drive blacked out. Parking sensors on the rear there, trailer tow hitch already installed, and your dual chrome exhaust tips as well. Jumping on into the rear of the vehicle, our second row, leather 60/40 split. End seats are both car seat ready. We do have USB ports as well as the rubberized mats already installed on the vehicle. Beautiful moon and sunroof opening up the cab of the vehicle up top. Easy fold down seats. We do have the rubberized mats taking up the whole back there, keeping your carpets nice and clean and protected. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. If this is your next SUV, come down here and see us at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest, or shop online at gslgmcity.com.